So now let's see how we can extract mask as layer inside of Pixlr E. So here you can see that I have an image and I'm going to go around into layer and let's use AI auto mask for this one. So it says machines are doing its thing and you can see that the masking is done. So I'm just going to correct this a bit. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around onto draw mask so that I can actually bring some of these things right here. So I'm not going to be very detailed regarding this, but you get the idea on how this actually works. So you got the mask right here, and I can actually bring things back right here right now. So I can paint back the things as you can see, and I can remove it out. That is because the mask is active. And if you don't want the mask to be active, that is if you want to convert this into a pixel, then you can extract the mask as a layer. And to do that, you can go around over here onto the top and you can go around onto extract mask as layer. And once I do that, what happens is that you can see on the top, there's a duplicate layer right here. So this one does not have any mask applied to it. So let me just hide this out as you can see. So if I were to go around into, let's say, for example, mask, you can see that there is no mask right here as you have the add mask option. So as I actually paint around, you don't actually see around. So let me just go around onto shape mask, click and drag. You can see that I don't get the other details. But over here on this one, if I were to go around onto, let's say, for example, remove mask, so forth, just like this. Let me just press Ctrl Z because I don't really want to remove the mask on this one. I'm going to go around right here and then if I were to go to, let's say, for example, draw out, I still get the details back. But for this one, it has been already converted into pixels and the mask is there no more. And this might be useful when you're absolutely sure on you don't want certain details. And that is how you can extract mask as layer inside of Pixlr E. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.